Good morning, students. Welcome to all in this lecture series of fluid mechanics subject. This is our first lecture on introduction and basic concept of fluid mechanics. So, first one is what is fluid mechanics? So, it is the branch of science which deal with the behavior of a fluid at rest as well as in motion. Basically, we can divide fluid mechanics into three divisions. Like the first one is hydrostatics, second one is kinematics, and third one is dynamics. So in hydrostatic fluid, it is the study of a fluid when our fluid is at rest. And second is kinematics. It is the branch, or we can say it is the study of a fluid when our fluid is in motion and there is a neglecting pressure force. And third one is dynamic. It is the study of a fluid when fluid are in motion and we have consider all the pressure force that can exist on the fluid. Now the next is the definition of a fluid. In simple definition, we can say anything which can flow is called fluid. Now here is a proper definition. Fluid is a substance that deforms continuously under the application of a shear stress, no matter how small the shear stress may be. Like from here, deformation of a solid. Like first one is in solids, the amount of deformation of a solid depends upon the modulus of rigidity. And in liquids, the rate of deformation depends upon the viscosity. Viscosity is the main property of a fluid, which we will discuss later in our next PPT. So from the diagram, it is clear that there are two plates and there is a fluid between these two plates. And when we applied here shear force, then a lower part is fixed and upper part is deformed continuously. It does not go back into again regain its positions. So that is the difference between the solids and the fluid. In the solid, when you have to remove the force F, then it can be regained into their original shape. Now next is the deformation of a fluid. Basically the matter can exist in two forms like solid or fluids. But if we talk about the fluids, it can further subdivide into liquid and gas. So here we can say not our liquid is a fluid, gases also act as a liquid. Now the types of a fluid, like the difference between ideal fluid and the real fluid. Basically in reality there is no fluid that can be exist as a ideal fluid, because for the ideal fluid you have some properties like your surface tension should be zero, viscosity is zero, there is no frictional force between the fluid particles. These are imaginary fluid, basically they don't exist in a nature. So we can say in a reality there is no fluid which can be a ideal. No real fluid, basically all the fluid in real in nature, because all the fluid having some surface tension, viscosity and the compressibility. Because whenever the motion takes place between the two layers of a fluid, there is the motion between the two layers is always due to the viscosity. Viscosity is the main properties of the fluid, and we will discuss this viscosity in our next PPT. And also when there are two layers, there is a movement of two layers, there is always some friction work. Now these are the properties of a fluid. Like first one is the density. Density basically we can say it is the mass of the fluid over per unit volume, and it is denoted by rho, and its unit SI unit is kilogram per meter cube. So